This is the vision in my mind when the wind kicks in, right? Good old Delta breeze, you hold up your hands. Okay, here we go, kids. Open up the windows because you want to start up high. The heat rises, right? A lot of it's trapped up if you have a two-story home. Open those up first because the cool air is going to move in. It's going to sink down to the lower floors. And you really want to open up as many windows as you can because it's a cross breeze. So everybody's home or apartment situated differently or rental unit. You really want to get as many open as you can because then it'll move around. It moves, evacuates the warmer air. And you really want to do this when the wind is actually moving. If you do it too late, the air outside is cooler, but it's not moving. So then you have to use like a fan or other things to kind of get it circulating. So these are some of the things you could take advantage of, like the old timers, to really get some free air conditioning and cooling where you live.